Hey, welcome back, Fiat fans. Back again with my friend Kristen, and we're going to be installing the rear seat delete on her Fiat 500 Abarth. So let's get to it. Yeah, I think those on the side, they look like, I don't know what they are, but like this one's definitely a 12, and we got to start in the middle. So
okay,
you have to like manually do it first, I think, and then like now you can.
All of the parts.
All right, so now we're going to take these brackets off back here.
Oh my God, is that in there tight?
There you go. I see it moving now. It might go now. And give it a try. Still not?
Nope.
Dang. So just put it on there and like hold the trigger down and just let it run. Yeah, keep going. There you go.
Yay, one down.
Well, you got both of them on that side. Yeah.
It smells funky.
Yeah, you definitely need that long extension to get past the subwoofer.
Oh, this is perfect. Okay. Alright. Alrighty.
Cool.
And they should just lift right out.
Comes out of the center section and then
Nice.
pops right off.
Oh, nice. I feel like that's heavy.
Yeah,
That's heavier than the hood.
it's pretty heavy. All right, so now there's 2 bolts on the front side. So you got one here and then one over there on that side too.
Stubborn.
We'll need to reuse those bolts, so you can just like put them right down there if you want.
Okay.
Because that holds the panel for the seat delete back in.
Oh, yes. Now, as far as lifting this out, just right up over these, I'm
Yeah,
guessing?
push the seat, push them back down. They go back down through.
There we go.
Yeah.
This is much lighter than the backs.
I just want to point out a funny thing. You see how this is all made out of foam right here, and this is just bare metal down here. Most of the sound deadening for the back is actually in the seat. So with the rear seat removed, it's going to be a lot noisier back here. You'll be able to hear the exhaust a lot more.
Which is
So
good.
yeah,
It wasn't like that.
most people like that. All right, so now you got to remove the bracket that holds the seat belt, what do you call them, latches or whatever on. Here.
Thank you. Oh, and it looks like Torx.
Oh, Torx. Wonder what size Torx that is. All right, so that is a T50. And they're kind of angled like this way, so make sure you angle the impact wrench back this way. Yeah. But man, they're in there tight. Let me go get a breaker bar.
Okay.
Maybe more leverage will work. Yeah, doing it by hand,
Right.
and you probably have to support the head of it to. Yeah. Oh, you're going the wrong way.
Oh, lefty loosey, righty
Yeah.
tighty. No wonder. Don't make that mistake, y'all. Delete that. Delete that, dude.
The mistakes stay in. It's good. It's good for everyone's
I
morale.
didn't have coffee this morning. I'll use that as my excuse.
Yeah, I think it's probably loose enough now. You can hit the other one and then throw it back on the impact there, and it'll definitely get it off.
There we go. Oh, goodness, finally. There, one down. All right.
Is it actually turning whenever you go? Jesus Christ.
This is like a dang side marker. There's always one part that's going to be a pain. You need me to lift this up? Or, okay.
There we go. Got it.
Nice. And then this whole
What
thing?
is the deal with these bolts?
A good question. That's ridiculous. It's like they were super glued in there or something.
Yeah, like yeah, this one definitely has a bunch of Loctite on it. Wow, that's crazy.
Unbelievable.
All right, well,
All right.
extra parts.
Thank you.
They recommend popping these guys out and putting this wire over on this other side. So I guess we'll probably do that, just because I think these little plastic pieces might interfere with the panel that goes here. Pop these guys off. That makes it nice and easy, doesn't it?
It does, compared to trying to use my fingers. And there's no holes over here to stick this into, so.
I wonder if we need to take those little plastic things off, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Because I feel like they'll like make little pressure points. Carefully just snip this.
There we go.
Yeah.
right.
Nice. Okay.
Now, what was the issue with this again? Why they suggested moving it?
Well, the way the panel sits down, it sits down flat against this part. So like that would kind of put pressure on your wire, and I don't know, I guess it could just pinch it and eventually like wear through or something. I don't know. But okay, I mean, that's pretty much it. We're ready for the panel.
Now, should I, to keep track of all of these bolts, just put the original ones back in?
So these square pieces, they go in to cover this.
Oh, okay.
And then these little plugs just go in like that.
Okay.
So you know the rear seats actually weigh a lot. I'm going to measure them here in just a second, but first I'm going to measure the seat delete panel, see how much weight we're putting back in. So this thing weighs 5 pounds 9-10 ounces. So one side of the rear seat back weighs 17 pounds 9 ounces, because I assume they weigh the same. Actually, maybe they don't weigh the same. Here, let's just see. Yeah, that one's 17 pounds 4 ounces, so basically the same. They're both like 17 pounds. And then this is 8 pounds. Yeah, 42 pounds. So taking out 42 pounds and putting 5 back in, that's pretty good weight savings right there.
I guess I can just rip off the sticky back and then just set it down. Then it will be in alignment, right?
Yeah, it would.
Do that. I got this from Madness Autoworks, so it matches the carpet that's already in here.
Yeah, it does. Looks like it matches pretty well.
Threaded good enough to. Okay.
Yeah, that's probably fine. I think it's supposed to tuck under.
So go ahead and rip off the sticky. Okay.
I'll lift this up a little bit.
Okay.
Tuck that guy under. Nice. All right. And now we need to grab the bolts that went on the little side brackets. Dress up panels. Cover the bare metal. Nice. There you go. All right. Is that the same size socket, or do you need a different one?
I believe it.
Yeah, it's the same, yeah. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, seems good.
So yeah, that's really all there is to it. And you got so much more room back here now.
Oh goodness, yes. It's like a completely different car.
Well, what'd you think of that? That was actually pretty easy, wasn't it?
Yes. This was easier than the headlights. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. We had to switch out the headlights, daytime running lights, and tail lights to the blackouts. There's another video on that.
I'll definitely put a link to that so you can see that too. But thanks for watching. Bye. Please hit the subscribe button.
And get a t-shirt.
Oh yeah.
I did.
Don't forget your t-shirts.
Your shirt is
BookAutoWorks.com. Good news, everyone. I just became an Amsoil dealer. And yes, I used to be a Redline fanboy, but Project Farm just recently did a big video series where they tested a bunch of different oils, and Amsoil came out on top. That's really what sold me on switching to Amsoil, plus Amsoil makes it really easy to become a dealer yourself. Now, if that's something you're interested in, drop a comment down below, and I can let you know how you can get started doing that. But let's real quick go over what I have here. Now this is their Z-Rod line, which I like to use on my classic cars. It's a high zinc formula that's made for flat tappet cams and just older engines in general. And I use the European motor oil in my modern cars. And it's not just oil, they have other things too, like this Power Foam is a carbon cleaner, and it's similar to another thing called foam, but this you actually like spray in. It's kind of neat. This so-called performance improver is a fuel injector cleaner. I picked up some assembly lube from them too. I'm going to need that. They also have a fuel stabilizer and ethanol mitigation treatment, essentially. Some two-stroke oil. And I thought this was really cool. They have some Pew Pew lube. I didn't even know they made this stuff. I can't wait to try that out. And I also picked up some of their water displacing lubricant, if you get my drift. Oh, and I also have some other exciting news. I'm going to be carrying new parts, not just all the old junk I already carry, but new stuff. And I'm going to be gearing my inventory specifically towards maintenance items for the DIYer, so keep an eye out for that. And as you know, I'm only going to carry parts that I'm actually going to use myself, so you know it's going to be good stuff. Now, if you're local to me, I can sell you some Amsoil directly at a good price. But if you're looking to buy online, I'm going to drop a link down below. And of course, anything you buy using my links helps out the channel, helps keep things going. Oh, and if you buy more than a case of oil a year, it might be a good idea to sign up for Amsoil's preferred customer. Becoming a preferred customer lets you buy at wholesale prices, which is a pretty significant discount. I'll drop a link on how you become one of those down below as well. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel.